How to make a contact form in WordPress. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I am going to be showing you how you can create a contact form in your WordPress. So let's get started. First, what you have to do is you will simply open up your WordPress website, and now you want to create a contact form. So what you have to do is you will simply go to plugins right here, and I will be adding a new plugin to create a contact form. What is a contact form? We create different contact forms to get more subscribers and for people to contact us, and it is going to be a very clean classic contact form that I will be creating with WordPress. So when we click on add plugins, this is where we will land. You will actually find all of the different plugins that you can add to your WordPress. So you will simply go to search plugins, and then you're gonna click and you're gonna search for WP Forms. There you go. So you will simply type in WP Forms. There is no space in between, and you will find this one right here, WP Forms. It is a contact form by WP Forms, drag and drop form builder for WordPress, and it has 5 million plus active installation. Pretty good, 11,000 reviews, all 5 stars, so pretty good. I'm gonna click on install now, and it will be installed, and then I will activate it to my WordPress into my WordPress website, and then we will create our own contact form. So it has been installed. I will simply click on active, and then it will be activated. There you go, we have our own WP forms. Now I will simply click on create your first form, and this way we will be able to create our own contact form in our WordPress. So we have to type in name your form. So enter your form name. I'm going to just give it the name of test contact form. There you go. So this is the name for my form right now. Then we have to select a template. We can select any template. There is a blank form, we have simple contact form, we have newsletter. Then we also have different templates. For example, business operations, we have customer service, we have education, entertainment, and event planning as well. So let's go with a very simple contact form, for example, to collect names and emails. That's what I want. So I will simply go with this template right here, simple contact form. Click on use template, and it will open it up. So this is our WP form editor. It's a simple drag and drop, and this is where I will be creating my contact form. So right now the template has name, last name, email, comment or message, and then we have submit button right here. So we get other options right here as well. We have setup, we have fields, settings, marketing, and payment as well. So now I can simply go ahead and add any text if I want to. I can add the email option, numbers, checkboxes, number slides, name, and captcha. And then we can simply go with fancy fields, for example, phone, address, website URL, password. So I am actually not going to make it complicated contact form because I want to go with a very simple one, but you get all the options right here, and you can simply create a very good contact form with WordPress. So I'm actually going to add a text right here. Let's say I want people to subscribe to the YouTube channel. So I'm going to go ahead and add a single line text right here. I'm going to click to edit, and it will allow me to add a text right here. So this is a single line where you can ask people to write something. You can add any text. I'm gonna go ahead and ask the question, have you subscribed to the YouTube channel? There you go. I can simply add it right here, and then I can also add description. So for description, I can again say like and subscribe. So this is very random text that I am going for, but you get the point. You will simply add your text right here, and this is how you can add a text right here, a single line of text. Then I am actually gonna delete this one because I do not want this. I just wanted to show you. Let's find out other options. Then we have paragraph text, we have drop down, let's go with a check box right here, and we can see right here checkbox, first choice, second choice, third choice. Again, click right here, it will allow you to edit. The label is going to be, how would you rate our YouTube channel? Okay, so this is going to be the label, the question that I'm going for, and then we have checkbox that people will check. So I can simply go ahead and, so for checkbox you can actually go with any of the questions, but I'm gonna go ahead and type right here. I'm gonna go with 2 to 5, 5 to 8, 8 to 10. Yeah, you can add different choices right here, and then you can also add a description for your checkbox right here. So I'm gonna keep this one. You will simply go back and it will be saved, and I will simply go back to the fields again. Then we have other options as well. We have numbers, we have email, we have capture. So if you want to change anything, for example, you want name, there is name, first name, last name, email. Then we have comment or message. We have our one of our checkbox right here. Then we have number slides, phone number, address, and you can also go with a website URL. Let's say that I want people to add their phone number, so I'm going to click on phone, and you will be able to add it if you upgrade to the pro of WP Forms. And then there is signature, there is rich text, then we have single item, multiple item, checkbox item, drop down items, and square as well. So these are the different options that you will add once you have added all of the information. Let's say this is the name for your contact, you want the first name, you want email address, you want a comment or message. If you do not want anything, or if you want to duplicate something, you will simply click right here and it will duplicate the field, or you can delete it from here. Then we have the settings options right here for our contact. We have notifications, we have confirmations, then we have conversational forms. Right here I will be able to get all the confirmation for my contact form that I have created. Then we have marketing. So in marketing, what happens is that I can actually integrate a marketing tool for my contact form that I have created, because the contact form will be bringing emails, right? I have created a simple contact form to bring email and to collect email. So if I want to, let's say I was using MailChimp or maybe HubSpot for my emails, right, where I create my email marketing campaigns. So I don't need to go to that platform again or export the files and, go through all of this hassle to kind of like export emails from one platform to another and sign up for that and stuff like that. You can actually integrate your email marketing platform, your GetResponse, HubSpot, MailChimp, Sendinblue, Zapier, to your WP Forms, where you will directly be able to get all the information, the information that contact form is bringing. You will be able to upload it right here. Then we have payment method. For payment methods, we have Zapier, PayPal, and Square available for you, so that you can simply go ahead and integrate a payment method as well. So once your form is created, you will simply click on save, or you can preview your form right here and you will be able to get an idea how it looks. So this is the contact form that I just created. You can see right here, test contact form, and we have name, last name, email, comment or message, and then we have our checkbox right here. This is super professional, a contact form that we just created using WordPress for my WordPress site, and this is how you can also do it very easily by following this tutorial. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you know how to create a contact form using WordPress. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.